Hello, welcome to, I guess, Trust Visuals Working. I don't know how to call this type of YouTube episode. I mentioned in a YouTube video before that I was going to try more documenting. I'm going to still give tutorials and do professional quote unquote videos on me talking and ideas about personal branding and talking and giving tutorials and all that. However, I wanted to show for those who are interested what it's like on a day-to-day basis when it's not glamorous at all. And this is not glamorous. I don't have good lighting and all that. It's just that I need to showcase and record for when I'm working on mundane things. Right now, I live in Puerto Rico. I'm going to offer freelance video services for coaches and entrepreneurs who are building a personal brand in Puerto Rico. And the majority of people, that are living in Puerto Rico, if you didn't know, they speak Spanish. They don't speak English. Uh, some of them speak English, but it's tailored to the Puerto Rican community and Puerto Rican entrepreneurs. So I'm adding a web page to my Trust Visual website that's going to be in Spanish for now. Later on, I may just do another website, but it's important to get the ball rolling and getting a few successes. That's what's like entrepreneurship is about. That's what business is about. I've done this before when I was living in Austin, and I want to get a steady flow of clients. Just start building a habit of getting clients in Puerto Rico. So I'm using Bluehost. Not that I'm promoting them or anything. I don't have affiliate links with anything, but that's what I've been using for many years. And I'm editing the website, and I'm adding things. It's not finished. It's not done. I need to change a lot of things. This is like a template that I need to change because it's kind of going to be like a one sales page. And of course, I'm talking about building a personal brand using video. That's my freelance service. So I need to set an example, and I've included a video of myself talking because I'm the brand also. It's very meta. I'm making videos for personal brands, and I'm also building my personal brand. So this is just what I've been working. This could have been like a YouTube short editing, but YouTube short, I wanted to show the whole web page, and I don't want to crop it or anything. And just so you know, the kernel of things that you can learn about this video, or I hope that you get, is that it's not the grand things that get moving your personal brand or your business. It's the mundane things that get moving your brand. Doing these things on a day-to-day basis. It's not sexy. It's not glamorous. You just have to grind it out and just build a habit. So that is all that I wanted to talk about today. I hope this inspires you on whatever you're doing, and know that it doesn't have to be glamorous like they show on TikTok or Instagram or any types of social media. See you in the next one.